Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing your Apple laptop so Word runs reliably. First, confirm macOS is up to date and you have around 3 GB free. This prevents install errors. Next, sign into your Microsoft account and verify your Office 365 license or ready your product key so activation is seamless. Once done, download Word from the App Store or your Microsoft account page and grant required permissions. This ensures Word can access files and autosave. Now you're ready to open the app and create your first document. You'll now learn core Word workflows that get real work done. Open a new document, choose a template if helpful, and save to OneDrive so autosave protects you. Saving locally works, but remember manual saves. Use the ribbon and styles to structure text and apply consistent formatting. Customize the toolbar to surface commands you use most. Insert images, tables, and headers for professional layout, and enable track changes when collaborating so edits are transparent. Make sure to use keyboard shortcuts for faster editing. You finish by preparing your document for sharing and knowing how to recover from issues. Run editor and accessibility check, then use read aloud to catch pacing or clarity problems. Once satisfied, export to PDF for fixed layout or keep as. DocX for edits, embedding fonts if recipients need consistent display. If Word misbehaves, first update the app, reset preferences, and restart your Mac. If that fails, reinstall Word and restore the latest version from OneDrive. This sequence saves time and prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.